Dear friends, welcome to new video series of JavaScript interview questions. In this video, we are discussing about push method on array. Let us look into the source code. Const oddNums is an array which is having 1, 3, 5, 7. And I am going to execute console.log function with oddNums.push of 9. So what is the output here? We have to understand what is push method, and after executing the push method on an array, what it will be returned. So let me run the file node.js interview.js, enter, look at here, file. So what is happening here? In order to understand exact details, I have to enter a new console.log here. Which will print the array, entire array, after push method. So let me clear the terminal and execute the command again. Look at here. Third line, console.log oddNums.push of 9 returns 5. 5 means it is the array length. So push method, after executing, it will return the total array length. Before it was 4 elements, 1, 3, 5, 7, 4 elements. After push method, push of 9, it will be 5. In the fourth line, I am console.log oddNums, the entire array. Look at here. It is the new array 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That means 9 is added at the end of the array. So from this video, we understood that by executing push method on an array, it is adding the particular element at the end of the array and returns the final length of the array. Here 9 is added at the end of the array and final length of the array is 5 now, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope this video is helpful for you. I have one request. If this video is helpful for you, please consider to subscribe my channel. So it may help me to create more videos like this. Thank you.